I'm a little bit embarrassed to get closer. Maybe I should just come out and tell you. Or better yet, maybe I could show you why I'm keeping my distance while I yawn. You see, when I yawn, it kind of opens my mouth wide. So right now it's not a very good time to be tired because I kind of have smelly tonsils. Maybe if I yawn closer to you, you'll see and smell what I mean. Do you see what I mean? Did that smell? Sorry. I'm sorry for that stank. Is it okay if I yawn again in a minute? Because I can feel another one coming on. I'm so sorry if that's stinky. I can't help it. My tonsil stones have come back and they're stinkier than ever. I'm so sorry for yawning this stinky breath right in your face. Tell me when the smell's getting too much and I'll stop. I know it's so strong, isn't it? When I yawn, it's like all that rotting, decaying gunk in my tonsils. Just the smell's released. I'm so sorry, it's so stinky. Okay, I'm getting really embarrassed now, so I'm gonna have to go soon. But please tell me if you're gonna vomit or retch, because it's so bad, that smell. awful breath right in your face. You are amazing for dealing with this stinky breath right now. I think that's enough of my stinky yawns for now. Oh, my eyes starting to water. Oh. Yeah, my eyes watering. I'm such a yawny person, aren't I? Okay, I'm really gonna go now. I apologise for the smell. I hope it's not been too bad. I'll see you later.